Jonah, I'm confused.
Yeah, what's your deal? Why don't you shave?
What?
Yeah, that too. But I thought giant monsters came from Japan, not Denmark.
Well, Asia clearly has the most monster credibility, but there's a beautifully diverse array of global monsters all over the planet.
Explain.
Preferably through rap.
Oh, all right, if you insist. Reptilicus is silly, but he really illustrates the great array of monsters all over the place. Not just in Japan, but across the planet. An A to Z gamut or gargantuan panoply.
Example, please.
Well, name a land.
Belize.
Oh, geez, easy peasy. Mesa, maze. See, in the Yucatan, you can meet El Cadejo, and Belize, they believe in him. They're not afraid to say so.
Scotland.
Nessie's living up in a lot.
How about Poland?
Scare crow named Babac.
So it's not just Godzilla?
Well, duh, Crow. There's a lot that could kill you.
Hey.
Tom.
Sorry, Crow.
Okay.
Rose.
Show.
Yo, Jonah, how's the chorus go?
Every country has a monster they're afraid of in their nation.
Every monster
has a country.
yeah, station they call their home.
Guter, Gleben, Glauten, Kroben.
What turned the musteer's guts to spaghetti?
Was it in Tibet?
Yep.
I bet he met a Yeti.
Australia?
Bear drop bears will impale ya.
Then they'll sell you hella touristy paraphernalia.
Chupacabras chewing up cattle down in Mexico. Del Geets, Horns Gorin, battling a Navajo. Congo's Congamado is a Mongo flying dino. I know I don't want to die, but when I do, he'll be the guy.
Whoa! So, Crow.
Servo?
Ready to go?
Start slow.
Cropeman is a monster from Luxembourg.
Who's actually the size of Luxembourg?
He crushed the whole country of Luxembourg.
Because he is the size of Luxembourg! Egypt's got mummies like Tutankhamun.
Leprechaun on Milan and Boston Common.
Bot's got the hang of it. The song's really kicking.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken!
By that, I mean Zhufang and Peng. Giant Chinese birds, and one of them turns into a fish. Anyway. Canoes, killer shrews, and the loop guru, Baba Yaga, Jorogumu, and the Impundulu. Now you guys realize the surprising size of all the worldwide Kaiju.
Every country has a monster they're afraid of in their nation. Every monster has a country.
That's Canada.
A station they call their home. Tops of bones, all the Swiss. Every country has a monster they're afraid of in their nation. Route 13. Every monster has a country.